up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Wow, it feels like forever, well, pretty much a week, since I've like sat down and actually talked to you guys. So I don't know if you can tell in my voice, but I'm a little bit sick right now. I'm actually getting over it, so I feel way better today than I have all week, which is a really good feeling. But what I did this week was I just filmed a little what I eat while I'm sick video. Now, the initial day before I started getting sick, I did also film a little bit of a grocery haul, so I'm gonna include that in this video before I show you any of the meals I made, just so you guys can kind of get a rough idea of like what I buy when I do go grocery shopping. And then all the footage of the meals I ate in this video are from yesterday. So I tried to film like an intro and an outro yesterday, and y'all, I just looked so rough. You could barely understand me because of my voice. So I do feel better today, so I'm really excited to be able to finally get this video up. One last thing before we get started, I wanted to show you guys just the like tablets I take when I'm sick. So first, I always take vitamin C if I feel myself catching a cold. This just really helps either fight off whatever is coming on to me or just like get better quicker. So these vitamin C tablets you can get pretty much anywhere. They are awesome. And then also, gotta love DayQuil. So I've been taking a ton of DayQuil lately, and this has been helping a lot too. Also, I wanna hear from you guys. What are your favorite types of meals to eat when you're sick? I personally like soups and just stuff that's really warm and easy on my stomach. I definitely wanna hear from you guys just for next time I come down with something. All right, so I really hope you guys enjoy this video. If you happen to be new to my channel, I would love if you would hit that subscribe button, and definitely follow me on Instagram if you are not already. I've been talking to you guys a ton on there lately. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started with the video. Got back from the grocery store, and I'm kind of a person of habit, so when I go to the store I kind of just get the same stuff every time, but then I always kind of like to leave a little bit of room for just trying new things and acquiring new tastes and all that kind of stuff. And just so you know, all of this together was about $60, and this is all gonna last me 2 weeks at least, so 30 bucks a week honestly is not bad at all. Okay, so just got 4 smoothies, some mango chunks, some strawberries. This is actually the first time I've ever bought a Lean Cuisine, but I could not say no to these. They look so good. These are Asian style chicken spring rolls, and I just thought these would be fun for like a little snack or something. And then I also got some hummus. Next, I just got a pack of whole wheat pitas. Whole wheat pitas have been one of my favorite things lately. I love just putting chicken and spinach and hummus and cucumber in here. They're so good. Such a good whole lunch idea, and only $2 for all these pitas, so that's really good. In those pitas, I like to put these Perdue chicken breast strips because they're already cooked and I just have to slice them up, and if I want them to be more kind of grilled, I can literally just put them on a pan for a few minutes. But this is just nice because it's so quick and easy to be able to cook with stuff like this. I got some strawberries. I like to just eat those for snacks or put them in my oatmeal. And then I also just got a couple avocados. I like to do avocado on rice cakes. So I already have rice cakes. I just needed a few more avocados. Next, for snacking, I got some of these carrot sticks. I like to eat these with hummus or put them in the pitas. And then this is new. I've not had this before, but this whole grain rice with broccoli and carrots by Steam Fresh. This looked really good. I really like the Steam Fresh brand. I think they have a lot of variety, and they're very cheap too. And then I also just got an English cucumber. Got some spinach. This is awesome for salads or pitas, and I also like to make smoothies with spinach. If you put spinach in your smoothies, you really can't taste it, I feel like. And then I also just got a 4-pack of Waco's Greek yogurt. I got some granola to put in that Greek yogurt. I got this big old bag of apples. There's so many in here, and it was only $4. And I like to put apples in my oatmeal. I like to just eat them plain, dip them in almond butter. You can do so much, and this was only $4. I got a box of these Nature Valley biscuit bars. I kind of try and stay away from processed like granola bars and stuff like that, just because I'd rather have fruit. But these are really good for if I'm on the go and if I'm craving something like a donut. This is a really good substitute because it still gives me that carby aftertaste. I got these vanilla yogurt raisins. I like to put these in the freezer and just snack on them when I'm craving something sweet. They're really good. And then I also got a jug of almond milk. So I like to put this in my smoothies, either that or water, usually almond milk though. So my go-to sick day breakfast is usually oatmeal, and I was about to have that, and then I was like, you know what, that's so typical. I feel like I always show that in videos. So I made something different, and I've actually shown this in a video, but it was a long time ago. This is so good. If you guys are wanting to try something new, I did like a 1/4 cup of cooked quinoa, and then this is just chopped up apples and strawberries, and this is the best mix together. It's like, it's crunchy, it's sweet, it's fruity. The protein in the quinoa makes you fill up. This is about to be so good, and this is also a really good on-the-go meal because you can just put it in a jar and take it with you. This would also be really good with just some honey and almond butter on top too if you want a little added texture. It makes it a lot more creamy, and then it's also a really good snack. So I don't know, you guys should definitely try this out and let me know what you think of it. But I'm gonna go ahead and gobble this up, and then I need to It's lunchtime now, and honestly guys, all I can think about today is soup. So I actually went to the store and just got ingredients to make soup, and it's nice because now if I want to have more later in the week, I will have the stuff for it. But this is really easy, and I've actually never even tried this recipe, so I'll definitely let you guys know how it goes. But all I'm gonna do is just chop up some potatoes. I'm going to boil some of these noodles. I got this roasted chicken broth, and then this pack of mixed veggies. This is super easy. All I have to do is just microwave these. I'm gonna boil the noodles, boil the potatoes, and then pretty much combine it all into a pot with the broth. And then it should make a really yummy and very like comfort foody soup. So I will show you guys it when it's all finished. Wow, this looks so good. Unfortunately, I wish I could say it smells good, but I have zero sense of smell right now. But wow, I can't wait to eat this. I also seasoned it with some salt and pepper, but I would say collectively this took maybe 20 minutes max to make. I actually boiled the noodles and potatoes together, so that really sped up the process, and now I get to eat it. I did want to show you guys, I've been drinking these LaCroix sparkling water drinks so much lately. They are a really good substitute if you like soda and that kind of like, you know, carbonated taste. This is a really good substitute. There's no high fructose corn syrup. I'm pretty sure it's just carbonated water and flavor. Yeah, it's like carbonated water and natural flavor. And you can get a big 16 pack for like $5. So in my opinion, that is a good deal. The past couple days, I've been drinking so much tea and so much just like hot water that it's nice just to have a little bit of change. Finally about to make some dinner. You guys, I'm so excited about this. So as I showed you guys in that grocery haul, I like to get these chicken strips, and I think I'm just gonna make a really simple chicken pita. I don't have a huge appetite tonight, but I know that if I don't eat right now, I'm gonna like midnight snack like crazy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take probably half of this pita. I'm gonna slice up half of this avocado. I already cut up some cucumber, and then I'm just gonna stuff some spinach in there. And yeah, super easy, no cooking required. Literally takes like 30 seconds to put together. All right, and here it is. Got the chicken. I made sure to put the spinach between the chicken and the cucumber so that the cucumber doesn't get the chicken wet. I think Cleo wants some. But if I wasn't sick, I would totally be having the whole pita, but I really don't have much of an appetite right now, so this is what I'm having. Oh my goodness, this looks so good. Alright you guys, that basically sums up the whole video. I hope you guys liked this. I feel like it's been forever since I did a what I eat in a day video, so it's nice to kind of switch it up once in a while. Don't forget to let me know what your favorite types of meals are to eat when you're sick. I don't know, I'm just craving so much soup and just like warm things right now, so I think I'm actually gonna go ahead and eat another bowl of soup after I finish editing and posting this video. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I love you guys so much, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys!